Hello, and welcome to East West's Quantum Leap Raw Library. I'm David Earle, and I'll be your host as we explore this cornucopia of instruments from all around the world. This library is one of the most extensively and meticulously sampled libraries ever. It's got 13 gigabytes of samples from Africa, the Americas, the Middle East, the Far East, Europe, and even Australia. The instruments were recorded with a phase-aligned 8-mic setup going into an API console, so the sound quality is really gorgeous. They were using all kinds of really high caliber, large diaphragm and small diaphragm microphones. With the addition of the SSL effect suite, which is now built into the Play engine, the sounds are even more malleable, and they'll fit into any track.